how to update the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. So okay guys, the first things you can do before use the GoPro Hero 11 Black is update. Okay, you can see here your camera must be updated before you can use it. And okay guys, so okay, the first things you can do is remove the cover of this lens, another lens, and the screen lens. So okay, wala na ba yung screen lens to? Paano ito maalis? And okay guys, here you can see your camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay. So okay guys, you need to download the Quick app for GoPro on Play Store or App Store. Once it download, so okay, go to Quick app. And here in Quick app, so okay guys, first you can do is open or power on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. So okay, press the power button. So you can hear the sound and you can see the 11 Black on front screen, and here and main screen on large screen you can see the language. So okay, first things you can do is select the language. So I select the English language. So once you select the English language, tap the check on the right side on your screen. Okay, upper right side on your screen. And okay, legal stop. So okay, you'll have to do is tap the agree button. And now, okay, on GPS, so make sure the GPS is on. Okay, tap the on button to on the GPS. And okay guys, GoPro Quick app. So install the GoPro Quick app on your phone to finish setup. Second, leave on your camera on and follow the app instruction. And okay, here in your cell phone on Quick app, so okay, go to GoPro on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, so if you tap this, you can see screen like this. And after that, okay, tap the camera icon on the top. So okay, tap this. If your Bluetooth is not on, so on first to connect the GoPro. So okay guys, so that's it. So my camera is now show on this screen. So and you'll have to do is okay, tap connect. So okay guys, the pop-up are show. Now you can see the Bluetooth pairing request. So okay guys, you'll have to do is tap pair. You can hear the sounds of this GoPro. So we can connect to your GoPro. Something went wrong, give it another. So if this happened, okay, try again. And okay guys, connected. So once it connected, so name your GoPro. So my name, I add my name. So okay, Richard Kabili GoPro. Okay, so okay, after you create the name, tap the check, and okay, tap the save new name. So okay guys, so okay, let's install your update. So okay guys, here you can see the continue button here. So tap this to install the update on your GoPro. So okay guys, so after you tap, okay, you can see the information Hero 11 Black version 1.12. So okay, tap the update button below. So tap the update camera button below. So now connecting to your camera through Wi-Fi. So okay guys, available network. So okay guys, tap this available network. And okay, connecting. And okay, here the legal disclaimer. Okay, so okay, scroll down, and below you can see the accept and continue buttons. Okay, tap this to connect this GoPro. Okay, you can see here the downloading update. So okay guys, waiting to download the update of my GoPro Hero 11 Black. So okay, here you can see the 55 65. So, okay, 75. Transferring update to your camera. So, okay, 91%, 95, 98. Okay, 100%. Installing update. So, okay guys, wait a couple of minutes. Update complete. So, okay guys, that's it, okay? So, okay, update complete. You can see the reconnecting to Richard Gabili GoPro. Then, okay, here you can see the GoPro 10 is here in easy mode. So, swipe down to change the pro and cons. Okay, that's it. All set. So, your camera software was updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features. So, okay guys, that's it. We have successfully update the new GoPro Hero 11 Black. So, okay guys, okay, ready now to create a video and upload to my YouTube channel. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.